Time now for our weekly Eco Venture segment, where we take a look at how the push towards going green is changing both the business and investment landscape. In the push towards alternative fuels, one company has developed a new product called green diesel, and it involves mixing water with fossil fuel. Channel News Asia's Zhang Ting-jun joins us now for more.
Hi, Tim. Well, the Singapore green energy company Singapore Emulsion Fuel is among those trying to develop alternative fuels, and it thinks it's found an answer in what it calls e-diesel or green diesel. Now, e-diesel consists of 60% fossil fuel, 20% water, and 20% of a biodegradable additive that allows the water and fuel to mix. And according to the company, it can reduce the emission of carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases such as nitrogen oxide. It also believes that e-diesel can help improve fuel efficiency by as much as 9%, reduce the emission of black smoke by over 80%, and the emission of exhaust heat by 20%. Singapore Emulsion Fuel has plans to make the product available to the general public, but it's first targeting the construction industry.
In Singapore, construction is very active. And then all the construction machineries, 100% are diesel, and many of them are old machineries. And emission problem, in fact, is the worst is from this construction site. That's the reason why we first target into construction rather than transportation, because all the buses, all the vehicles that are running on the road, in fact, they've passed all the emission tests, but not construction site.
It says that the response to the new fuel has been very positive, despite its higher price.
Once the awareness is there, price may not be an issue. Okay. Again, 2 years ago, yes, probably price is very sensitive to most of the companies. But right now, after the Copenhagen meeting, after we all realize that climate change and then global warming is a big problem to us, perhaps, okay, they're willing to pay a premium to protect the environment.
The company is optimistic that e-diesel will help companies seeking to qualify their buildings under Singapore's Green Mark scheme.
It gives them the leverage of getting the green marks. Okay, as we know, Singapore, from the BCA, we have this scheme called the Green Mark scheme, and that any companies that using the green material, they can achieve this Green Marks award. All right, that will give them the leverage to go into the next projects and so on.
Right now, Singapore Emulsion Fuel can only produce up to 30,000 litres of diesel per day, or about 0.3% of the market need. It's targeting to ramp that up to 100,000 litres over the next 12 months. Tim?